Hi guys, welcome back to Spotaria channel. Today in this video, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on Quora apps. But before you continue this video, I hope you like, comment and subscribe to support this channel, and don't forget to hit the notifications bell. So without any further ado, let's get started. Well, firstly, open your Quora apps first. Here you are, I'm gonna open mine. And in this Quora homepage, you just have to go to your account, which is the icon at the top left. After that, at the bottom, just go ahead to the settings option. Now in the settings page, at the bottom you will see the theme section. There are three options, which is light, dark or auto. Auto means it's follow your iPhone system. So here, if you want to enable the dark mode, just tap on the dark. And yes, you can see now it's already changed. If you want to save it, you just have to go back by tap on the undo arrow at the top left. And yeah, it will automatically saved. Just it guys, I think it's enough. Thanks for watching this video. I hope this video will help you. Don't forget to leave your comment in the column below. I'll see you soon on the next one and good luck.